Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic terms. In this lesson we will see how to multiply two or more terms that contain pronumerals. We will start by using a simple method which involves expanding each term before we multiply. So, for example 1, we're asked to multiply m squared times m cubed. Wherever you see the x here, that is the multiplication sign. That is all that stands for. In all of the examples, this here stands for the multiplication sign. It's not actually meant to be a pronumeral. So m squared is actually m times m. So we put that in brackets. So that's our expansion there. That's what m squared means. Here's the multiplication sign, and m cubed means that. When you combine those together, we get those terms or those letters or pronumerals multiplied together, which is m to the power of 5, because there are 5 of them. So with multiplication, notice each of those is a 1. I'll just quickly write that in. See here, each of those is a 1. When you have multiplication, you just add these indices. We've seen this before, so that gives you m to the power of 5. For number 2, 3k to the power of 4 can be expanded, and that's what it looks like. Remember, these are multiplication signs. They're not pronumerals. And 5k squared, that's what that is. Now, when we combine those two together, we get 3 times 5. There it is there. And the number of k's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all multiplied together. So that's 15 times k to the power of 6, which is 15k to the power of 6. For the third example, we have 4 terms here. We have 4 terms, so each of these is a term. And there's your m squared, there's your y cubed, your m cubed, and y squared. We put the m's together, so we have m times m, and then we have here. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 m's, so check that carefully. For the y's, we have those there and those there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So when we multiply those together, we have m to the power of 5 multiplied by y to the power of 5. So that's m to the 5th, y to the 5th. That's the short way of writing it. So you can see it's quite improved, isn't it? From there right down to here, that's really well simplified, isn't it? Now we have those 3 terms there. So this one is 6 times w times w. This one here is 3 times w, and that's a 2 with those w's. We have 6 times 3 times 2, that's there. And the number of w's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 36 w to the power of 6. Example 5. That first term there is all that. Right, you've got those h's, those y's. The next term, we have those there, so that's 4h cubed. And this one here, 5 times hy. So we have 2 times 4 times 5, that's there. For the h's, we have 1, 2, look at it carefully, 3, 4, 5, we should have 6 h's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we do. And for the y's, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 40 h to the 6th, y to the power of 4. Over here, we have ABC, BCA, and ACB. Now, look carefully now. 5 by 3 by 2, we can write that there. A, and A, they're here. B, B, and B are there. C, C, and C are there. So that gives us 30, A cubed, B cubed, C cubed. Now over here, that term 3b cubed c to the power of 4 is there. 4a squared b squared is there. And 2a to the 4th c cubed is there. When you combine those together, you get your 3, your 4, and your 2. There are all the a's, there are all the b's, and there are all the c's. So it's 24a to the power of 6, b to the power of 5, and c to the power of 7. So that's the end there of that particular lesson. So we've seen in this lesson how to multiply terms in algebra. We've seen how to expand and then how to remove the grouping symbols and to write it in this manner here, and we've seen how to simplify. So in a subsequent lesson, that is the next lesson, we'll do these examples in a much quicker fashion, but I just needed to go and do some first principles here to show you exactly what's involved. But for the next lesson, we'll do these examples a lot quicker.